Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today, we're exploring OKCoin, a popular platform for trading cryptocurrencies. At OKCoin.com, you'll find a gateway to the exciting world of digital assets. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting your crypto journey, OKCoin offers a variety of tools and resources to assist you. Their platform allows users to buy, sell, and trade a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including popular options like Bitcoin and Ethereum, alongside many other up-and-coming digital currencies. OKCoin strives to provide a secure and user-friendly trading environment. They employ advanced security measures to protect user funds and personal information. The platform is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, even for beginners. With various charting tools and market data available, users can make informed trading decisions. OKCoin also offers educational resources to help users expand their knowledge of the cryptocurrency market. For those looking to dive deeper into trading, OKCoin provides advanced trading features such as margin trading and derivatives. These options allow experienced traders to leverage their positions and potentially maximize their returns. However, it's crucial to remember that trading involves risk, and users should carefully consider their risk tolerance before engaging in any trading activity, especially margin trading. It's always recommended to do your own research and understand the potential risks involved. OKCoin operates globally, serving users in various countries and regions. They offer a range of customer support options to assist users with any questions or issues they may encounter. With their focus on security, user experience, and a wide selection of cryptocurrencies, OKCoin aims to be a comprehensive platform for both new and experienced cryptocurrency enthusiasts. So, if you're interested in exploring the world of digital assets, be sure to check out OKCoin.com and see what they have to offer. Remember to do your own research and trade responsibly.